EPLANT-Piping Basic tutorial. This video shows how to copy a piping line. We select the Copy option from the Line Utilities menu. We graphically select the line to copy. And we define the name of the new line. Given that this project has its process and instrumentation diagrams created with the EPLANT PNID, we have the warning that this line name is not defined, but we'll disregard the warning. Now we have to define a base point for the copy that will be any point graphically selected. The second point again will be selected in the same way. And the copy is generated. We can query the characteristics of this line.